So today I'm going to show you how to send a Zelle request directly on your Ally bank account app. Now we're here on the iOS device and we're going to show you in real time how to go through this process. So we're actually here on the homepage of our Ally account. You can see on the bottom left it says snapshot. And there are a couple different ways to get to your Zelle setting, but the one we're going to show you today is going to the right hand side of our screen here with the menu option with those three lines going on top of each other. Now here in this section up here towards the top, there is the transfer and pay section. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click on Zelle. And in this section here, you're going to see where it says request. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that. And in this section here, it will show you recent recipients, whether you sent money or have requested money or received money in the past. If that person that you want to request money from isn't here, go ahead and click this little plus icon with the profile icon and go ahead and plug in their information, making sure you're using either the email or the address, the email address that you want to go ahead and receive that money from. Now, if you by chance already have the person, or once you go ahead and fill out, that person will show up on your recipients section here, which we're going to go ahead and click on. Now from here, it's going to go ahead and let you put in the dollar amount you want to request from. So let's go ahead and say we are doing $25 for this example. So you'll click on the bank account you want to have it receive into. And once everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on the review option and then confirm to send in that request. Now I don't need to send this person that money, but once you go ahead and do that, they'll get an email or a text notification that you have requested that dollar amount. And once they go ahead and send that money, it will transfer to your account pretty instantly once all of that has gone through on their end and will land into your bank account for Ally. Now, if you need to change any of the settings for your Zelle account, like your email or phone number, no worries, we got you covered. Check out our video right here on screen to learn how to change that info.